Welcome to Learn English Smoothly.
Renting an apartment.
Hi, I saw your ad online. Is the apartment still available?
Yes, it is. Would you like to come and see it?
Maybe. Can I ask some questions first?
Sure.
How far is it from the railway station?
It's about a 10-minute walk, not far.
Is it fully furnished?
Yes, it is.
And the rent is $550 a month, right? Including bills.
No, it's $550 plus bills.
What kind of bills?
Mainly electricity, water, and internet. It usually comes to about $100 a month.
Okay. Are there any extra fees like for maintenance or parking?
No, parking is included and maintenance is covered.
Good to know. Is the neighborhood quiet?
Yes, it's very quiet and safe. There's a park nearby, and the neighbors are friendly.
Are there grocery stores or other shops nearby?
Yes, there are several grocery stores within walking distance and a shopping mall a short drive away.
That sounds convenient. Can you tell me more about the apartment?
Sure. It's a one-bedroom apartment with a living room, kitchen, and a balcony with a nice view. It's about 650 square feet.
That sounds nice. Is the building pet-friendly? I have a small dog.
Yes, pets are allowed. We do require a pet deposit, which you get back if there's no damage.
Okay. And the deposit is 1 month's rent, right?
Yes, and we ask for the first month's rent up front too.
All right. I'd like to come and see it. When is a good time?
How about Tuesday?
In the morning.
Sure, let's say 10 o'clock. When do you need to move in?
As soon as possible.
Great. I need someone quickly too. If you like it, we can discuss the paperwork and get things moving.
Sounds good. Do I need to bring anything?
Just your ID, proof of income, and references if you have them. If everything looks good, we can sign the lease.
All right. I'll be ready. See you on Tuesday at 10.
Looking forward to it. Have a great day.
You too. Thanks.